Hi all and welcome to our Tool Pool series on improving agility. A topic which is multiplying curiosity for many of us. A lot has been published so far over improving agility. However, most literature is only focused on technology or service organizations. We feel it's really important to publish something which can be utilized by all kind of organizations to improve their agility. Now, before we talk about improving agility, let's first understand what is agile. What you see in this image is a game of boxing, where a player on the left side is trying to dodge the punch. How can he dodge the punch? Because he has been trained to do so. But what has he been trained on? Ability to move quickly and easily. If you observe closely, eyes of the boxer is capturing the information of punch coming towards his face, passes the information to his brain, brain processes the information and instructs the body to move. And all of this in just a fraction of a second. This is what we call agility. And all this flexibility while maintaining the stability. Imagine if you can make your business so agile, where you can respond to changing market conditions so quickly and easily. So, do you ever wonder why some of the startups conquer global market just in a span of a decade, while most of us are struggling to get 20 to 30% growth ratio? Is it because of the technology and money they have? No. The real strength lies in the way they run their organization. The agility they have created is a rare combination of flexibility and stability which they have built in their foundation. They clearly understand that markets can't be stable. Customer needs will keep on evolving, and we as an organization must be not just ready but excited towards those changes. While most organizations hardly recognize a change in market, these great organizations are actually ready with their new offerings. Of course, most leaders want their organization to be adaptable and change faster. At the same time, it is a hard realization that every time we try to adapt too many changes together, we actually become fragile. And that's where we all are forced to slow down. If we intend to move or evolve or adapt to changing needs faster, we must build a great combination of flexibility and stability in our organization. In today's turbulent time, this ability is even more critical, where the markets are changing every day. On a lighter side, all the stakeholders are having constant mood swings. Businesses no longer have the luxury to respond in a quarter. We must be ready to respond to many changes in as short as a week's time, and also ensure that we remain stable and not become fragile. In our next episode, we will explain how to improve agility by reinforcing the core pillars. Thank you for watching this video.